Okay, this next question is a little bit more difficult than the last few that I've gone over. The average density of a newly discovered mineral is 2.14 grams per mil. Okay, what does this mean? This means that 2.14 grams of the mineral is equal to 1 ml of this mineral. Right? That's all this is saying. That's the density of this. It's saying that the density of this particular mineral is 2.14 grams for every mil. Right? We want to know is what's the density in pounds per cubic inch? Well, the first thing we're going to have to do is figure out what all the conversion factors are for this problem. So let's look at this. So we know that we're going to have to go from grams to pounds. Okay, pounds is the English measurement of mass, and grams is the metric measurement of mass. So it turns out that 1 pound is equal to 453.59 grams. Okay, and 1 inch, we're going to convert from inches, cubic inches to, or from mils to cubic inches. One of the things we're going to have to do is we know that 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter, right? Well, that's great. But how do we then get to inches? Well, we also know this, that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Now, this is a definition. This is an exact number. In fact, this would be exact as well, meaning they don't have any significant figures to worry about. You can essentially think of this as an infinite number of sig figs, and this also, and this also, and that also, right? So this would be an infinite number of sig figs, but this one only has 5, okay? So there's our conversion factors. Oh, we've got one more because we need to convert from, let's see. No, I guess we're good. We're good there. We don't need to. Oh, this problem was supposed to go to cubic feet, but we'll just leave it in cubic inches instead. That's how it goes. All right. So to start off with, we'll take the density of this material. Since we're going to convert it from density of this to that, I'm going to say that 2.14 grams of the mineral per ml. And then we'll multiply this by the conversion factor of 1 pound for every 453.59 grams. So we want the grams to cancel out, so put that on the bottom. So 1 pound for every 453.59 grams. Now we want to convert mils. The conversion we have is to cubic centimeters. So 1 ml per 1 cubic centimeter. Now, why did I know that one on top? Because ml is on the bottom here, right? So we wanted grams to cancel with grams, and we want mils to cancel with mils, right? So pounds are on top now, which is where we want it. Now we have cubic centimeters on the bottom, but what we want is inches. So let's multiply this by this conversion factor up here. And what we have is that 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. And we'll do that 3 times in order to get our cubic in there. So 2.54 centimeters per inch times 2.54 centimeters per inch. Okay? And when we do that problem, we get, let's see, clear. Can you guys see this? All right, good. So what we have is 2.14 divided by 453.59 times 2.54 times 2.54 times 2.54. Okay. In each case, these are all just ones, so they'll just cancel out. So push enter, and we get 0.077312888. Boy, that's a lot of digits, but that's what my calculator said, right? The units here, since we have centimeters canceling with these, right? then we're going to be in units of pounds per inches cubed, right? And that is our answer, but we need to think about significant figures. How many significant figures do we have? Well, this one had 5. This one has 3. These have an infinite number of sig figs, so the least number is this here with 3, so we're going to round our significant figures to 3 here, and this would be 0.773 pounds per inch cubed, or we could say 7.73 times 10 to the negative 1 pounds inches to the negative 3. This inches to the negative 3 is the same thing as saying divided by inches cubed. All right. Well, there's my answer. Hope it helps, and I'll see you guys in class.